Annapolis has 220 homes for sale, priced between $169,900 and $24,900,000. 18 new listings came to market since last week, 20 are coming soon, and 7 are temporarily off the market. There are 30 homes for lease from $1,600 to $3,695 per month for a median rent of $23.75. It's Friday, November 20th, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Annapolis. 21401 has 111 homes for sale. In the past week, 9 homes were listed as coming soon. 7 went active, 5 went under contract in an average of 24 days. 7 went pending, and 12 have sold since last Friday, with sellers getting 98.9% list price in 35 days. 21401 has a total of 67 homes for sale. 10 recently listed as coming soon, 7 are newly active, 8 went under contract in 12 days, 1 moved to pending, 1 went temporarily off the market, and 13 homes sold since last Friday in 25 days and at 98.8% of list price. 21409 has a total of 43 for sale, 1 new coming soon, 3 are new to the market, 2 went into temp off status, 8 went under contract in 20 days, 2 went pending, 9 homes closed since last Friday, and an average of 16 days at 97.9% of list to sale ratio. If you want to purchase a home by the end of this year, it may still be possible to do so in order to qualify for the potential tax benefits and enjoy low interest rates and affordability. There are some considerations that you will need to know in order to purchase by the end of this year. Give me a call at 443-837-5645 to discuss whether moving by the end of this year works for your situation. Also, be sure to follow us on social media or subscribe to our podcasts. Thanks again so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, November 20th, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you here next Friday.